They're going to make sure you have dessert, I guess.
I was like, you want to go wake Joe up? And she was like, and then she went in there and he was gone. She was like, she turned around.
Say hi to Brad.
Hi to Brad.
Hi, Brad. Hi, Brad. Is Brad on the phone?
No.
Howdy.
No, he's on camera.
I'm going to send him the video then.
Hey.
Post it on YouTube.
That's what I'm going to do. Kendall's in here all by herself.
That's because Ben's getting a sharper knife to cut that. And Sierra's putting her plate. And Sierra's in there chatting.
Come on over here and finish.
I can't eat anymore. I thought you were getting a sharper knife to cut that with. No.
If you're really that's like a knife. You're taking my shirt.
Where do I got my hand?
So these cookies are like spicy, right?
Nope.
They have some kind of flavor in them.
It cuts the internet.
Okay, you still there?
Yeah, plug back in when we get in there.
Say hi to Brad.
Hi, Brad. Hi, Brad. Hello.